This quick guide will teach you how to overdraft Chime. Whether you're new to Chime or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure you can enable this feature with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Chime app on your smartphone. Make sure you have it downloaded from your app store and updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once the app is open, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. This will bring you to your Chime account dashboard. Next, look for the settings icon on your screen. It usually resembles a gear and can typically be found in the menu or toolbar of the app. Once you've located it, give it a tap. This will open up a list of options related to your account settings. Within the settings menu, find and select the option labeled Spot Me. Spot Me is Chime's fee-free overdraft service, which can be a real lifesaver when you're in a pinch. If you're eligible for this feature, you can turn it on to access overdraft coverage without incurring any fees. Now, to enable this service, you'll want to turn Spot Me on. This is as simple as toggling a switch. Once it's activated, you'll be able to make purchases that exceed your balance up to your approved limit without worrying about overdraft fees. If you're curious about your overdraft limit, there's an easy way to check it. Still in the Spot Me section, tap on Your Limit. This will display the maximum amount you can overdraft. Chime determines this limit based on various factors, including your account activity and history with them. If you wish to adjust any settings or explore additional options, such as managing your Spot Me boosts, simply tap on Edit. Here, you can make any necessary adjustments to fit your financial needs. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the overdraft feature on your Chime account. Remember, Spot Me is a handy tool when used responsibly, so keep an eye on your spending and ensure you maintain a healthy balance. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the flexibility and peace of mind that comes with Chime's fee-free overdraft coverage. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides just like this one. Until next time, happy banking.